Welcome to this video addressed to teachers, where we will provide you with ideas on how to develop your learners' soft skills and sustainability skills using technical tools. By harnessing the potential of digital tools, you can guide their learners to develop essential soft skills while instilling a deep understanding of sustainability. Through digital collaborative platforms, reflective portfolios, online research tools, and virtual field trips, you can create engaging and impactful learning experiences. Thus you will prepare students to be adaptable, socially responsible, and environmentally conscious individuals in an interconnected world. Digital collaborative platforms such as Miro or Slack provide opportunities for students to engage in teamwork, communication, and problem solving. You can guide your learners to utilize these platforms to complete group projects, participate in online discussions, and exchange ideas. By providing constructive feedback and facilitating virtual interactions, you will foster your students' soft skills. Digital portfolios, such as OneNote Class Notebook, website creators, blogs, enable your students to showcase their work, reflect on their learning journey, and receive feedback from teachers and peers. By guiding your learners to curate and evaluate their achievements and growth, you can enhance self-awareness, self-assessment, and goal-setting skills. Additionally, digital portfolios can incorporate sustainability-focused projects, encouraging students to explore and document their understanding of environmental issues and their efforts towards sustainable practices. Digital research tools, such as World's Largest Lesson or Goals Project, offer your students a wealth of information and resources to explore sustainability-related topics. You can guide learners to critically evaluate sources and engage in independent research. By designing inquiry-based projects centered around sustainability, you can nurture skills such as information literacy, problem-solving, and analytical thinking. Your students will delve into environmental challenges, propose solutions, and develop a deeper understanding of sustainable practices. Digital tools provide access to virtual field trips and immersive experiences that transcend the boundaries of traditional classroom settings. You can guide your learners on virtual visits to national parks, museums to instill a sense of environmental stewardship. Such experiences can be coupled with interactive quizzes, discussions, and project-based assignments to deepen students' understanding of sustainability issues and their role in creating a more sustainable future. Harness the potential of digital tools to develop future leaders with a strong awareness of sustainability and a wide range of soft skills to drive change.